Check out this 2021 Hyundai Santa Fe. Handsome and versatile, this Santa Fe brings ease and comfort to your busy lifestyle. This midsize crossover SUV offers a spacious, family-friendly cabin, available all-wheel drive, the latest safety and infotainment tech, including standard driver assistance features and stylish modern looks. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: fog lamps, lane keeping assist, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, rear spoiler, traction control, daytime running lights, power windows, power door locks, power steering. Get the comfort, features, and style you deserve. This Santa Fe is waiting to take you places. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.